Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is me Alia Vahid and you are on the channel of Medicare. So as you know that we have started the practicals of pharmacognosy and we have discussed a lot of drugs, and you know the rule of my video is that to revise the previous drug and then move toward the forward one, so that you can remember the botanical name, the family, part use and the important things of every crude drug. So as you know, in that experiment we are going to study the Rawolfia, but before it we revise the previous one. So revise with me. So the first drug that you can remember, and one thing you have to discuss, that you should revise all the drugs and should watch all my previous videos so that you can get the concept of next upcoming videos. So as you know that the first drug that we have studied is a cinnamomum. To remember it, we have given a mnemonic which is the loving mother. So what is the botanical name of cinnamomum? Yes, you are good. Cinnamomum zilesium. It has three names. You can remember any one of it. Cinnamomum zilesium, Cinnamomum laurii, Cinnamomum acacia. Very good. And what is the family name of it? Yes, Lauraceae. So what is the part use of cinnamomum and what is the local name of it? Yeah, very good, excellent. So the part use of cinnamomum is a bark. It is the inner bark of that plant shoot, and the local name of it is the taste pot and dalchini. So can you revise the chemical composition of cinnamomum? Yes, very good. You know all the things because you have revised all of my lectures. So the chemical composition is that it consists of sugars, it consists of starch, it consists of volatile oils. Yes. Next thing is that it consists of flavonoids. It consists of aromatic compounds, aliphatic compound, oxygenated compounds, hydrocarbons. It consists of cinnamyl aldehyde, cinnamyl acetate, and chirophenylene. So these are some components of it. Very good. We have devised the first drug. Now move on to the second one, which is the hydroxys, called as golden seal or golden root. What is the botanical name of it? Oh yes, you know that, Hydroxys canadensis, and the family is Rarulaceae. Very good. And the part use of hydroxys is, it is the root or rhizome. Just remember the picture of that plant, and then you have to tell me that what is the chemical composition of it. So it consists of three alkaloids, and what are them? Yes, hydroxine, canadine, berberine. So the next plant that we have discussed is the clove, and to remember the botanical name and to remember the family of it, we have given a mnemonic. And what was it? Yes, you know that. So its mnemonic was that cesium, aroma, Eugene's charm, complete the clove love story, murder. Okay. So what was the botanical name? This is the mnemonic. What was the botanical name? Oh yes, you know very well. Cesium aromaticum, Euglene, chirophenylene. These are the two botanical names of it. And what was the family name? Yes, Meridiaceae. And what is the part use of clove? So it is the flower bud. Okay, so you know that. And what is the chemical composition? Yes, so its chemical composition is eugenol, chirophenylene, flavonoids, tannins, phenolic propanoic acid, and it consists of a lot of volatile oils. Okay, flavonoid, tannins, and these are things that are repeated out in every plant. Okay, so we have discussed the clove, and can you remember the next drug that we have discussed? Yes, star anise. So we have discussed a botanical name. What it is? Yes, Elvira Sachi Sandy. This is the mnemonic, and Ilium viraceae is the botanical name, and its family is Sachi Sandoraceae. And can you remember what it is? So it is a flower, fruit. Okay, not the flower, and it consists of 6 to 5 follicles of board shape, And what is the chemical composition? It consists of eugenol, saffrol, terpenol. It consists of volatile oil. It consists of flavonoids, tannin, resin. A lot of things are present in it. Okay, so we have discussed the star anise. Can you remember quickly the next drug that we have discussed? Yeah, we have discussed cardamom. One thing we have to discuss that cardamom is different from cinnamon. Their name are somehow related to each other, and some student mix them. Okay, so they consider cinnamon as cardamom. So cardamom is choti lachi. It called in the Urdu. And what was the botanical name of it? Yes, Eleutheri chirophenylene. And what was the family name? Yeah, it has a specific family name which is Zingiberaceae. Okay, you know very well it. And can you remember the chemical composition? Yeah, it contains the compounds which are most common in every plant, like flavonoids, renin, tannins, and a lot of fat, waxes, sugar, starch, a lot of things like that present in that. Okay, you know very well about that. So can you remember what is the part use of cardamom? Yeah, it is the fruit. Okay, so you have to remember it. So now I think that we have covered all the previous drugs. So now I am moving toward our next drug, and this is Rawolfia drug. And the shape of it is this, like you can see in the picture. Now the botanical name of it is Rawolfia serpentine. सर्पेंटीन को आप याद रख सकते हैं कि सर पे चढ़ जाना या सर पे दर्द करना शुरू कर देना. सो रोवोल्फिया एक लड़की है जिसने हमारे सर में दर्द करके रखा हुआ है, हमें तंग करके रखा हुआ है. ठीक है. वट इज़ द कॉमन नेम इज़ छोटी चंदन. तो वो जो रोवोल्फिया लड़की है वो छोटी चंदन है, मीन आप कह सकते हैं छोटा पटाखा है, और उसने हमारे सर में जी दर्द कर रखा है, इतना तंग कर रखा है, और है भी उसका साइज़ छोटा छोटा. ठीक है. पार्ट चूज़ की बात करते हैं तो ये रूट है. इस शक्ल से भी आपको लग रहा है कि ये रूट ही है, ना फ्लावर का सीड लग रहा है, ना ये उसका फ्लावर लग रहा है, ना उसका फ्रूट लग रहा है. ठीक है. फैमिली है इसकी एपोकेसी. ठीक है. एपोकेसी फैमिली में ना आपकी 3 ड्रग्स आपके पास आती हैं जो आपके सिलेबस में शामिल हैं. एक यही रोवोल्फिया है, दूसरी आपके पास कैथारेंथस रोसियस है, और तीसरी आपके पास आ जाएगी कैलोपस जाइजेंटीन. ठीक है. तो ये 3 ड्रग्स इस एपोकेसी फैमिली में आती हैं. अगर हम इसकी केमिकल कंपोजिशन की बात करें तो यही केमिकल कंपोजिशन एपोकेसी के इन्हीं 3 ड्रग्स के अंदर होगी. ठीक है. चाहे वो कैथारेंथस रोसियस हो, चाहे वो सिलोपोरपस गैगेंटीन हो, या रोवोल्फिया, उन सब में ये केमिकल लाजमी होंगे. लाइक कुछ अल्कोलॉइड्स होंगे, रिसर्टीन, एजमालीन, सर्पेंटीन, एस्ट्रोनिन, रोवोल्फाइन, ये सारे इसके अल्कोलॉइड हैं. इसके अलावा इसके अंदर फाइटोस्टिरोल्स, फैटी एसिड्स, अल्कोहल और शुगर और एजमालीन, इस तरह के कंपाउंड्स इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है. ज़्यादातर इसके अंदर अल्कोलॉइड है, मतलब 24%, 0.7 से 24% तक इसके अंदर अल्कोलॉइड्स होते हैं. और डिफरेंट किस्म के अल्कोलॉइड हैं, रेस्पर्टीन, एजमालीन, एजमालिलीन, सरपेंटीन, और इसके अलावा कौन सा है, रोवोल्फाइन. ठीक है. अगर हम इसकी केमिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात करें तो वो तो आपने इसकी शेप को देखना है. शेप किस तरह की आपको लग रही है, थिन, लॉन्ग और सिलेंड्रिकल सी इसकी शेप है, पेयर शेप है. टेक्सचर की बात करें तो जाहिर बात है जो भी रूट होता है उसका टेक्सचर रफ होता है, और ड्रग ब्रेक विद द शॉर्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स. तो ये शॉर्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स के साथ ब्रेक हुआ होता है. स्टैंडर्ड मार्किंग की बात करें तो इसके ऊपर ना बर्ड होते हैं. ठीक है. एक और ड्रग आएगी जो बिल्कुल इसी की तरह मिलती होगी, बट उसके ऊपर बर्ड नहीं होंगे, और रोवोल्फिया के बर्ड्स ऊपर होते हैं. ठीक है. अच्छा, टेस्ट की बात करें तो वो हमारा इसका बीटर होगा. Okay, so if you discuss the color of it, so its color is light brown or yellowish brown. Size, you can see that it is about 5 centimeter long. Odor is very strong and fracture is difficult. So what is the uses of it? Okay, so this root is used in what type of diseases? So it used to treat the hypertension, hypertensive patients, sedative, और वॉर्फिया एंड रेस्पेरटीन जो इसके अंदर अल्कोलाइड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं आर यूज टू ट्रीट द न्यूरोफाइटिक डिज़ॉर्डर। जितने भी हमारे ब्रेन के न्यूरोफाइटिक डिज़ॉर्डर्स होते हैं, ब्रेन की ख़राबी हो गई, नर्व्स की ख़राबी हो जाती है, उनको ट्रीट करने के लिए ये 2 अल्कोलाइड बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। अजमालीन जो एक अल्कोलाइड इसके अंदर है वो कार्डियक एरिथमिया को ठीक है। कार्डियक एरिथमिया का मतलब क्या है कि अबनॉर्मेलिटी हो जाना हार्ट की रिदम के अंदर, and it consists of alkaloid that are used to treat the cancer also. So this was all about the today's lecture. I hope that I can do very well for all of you, and I have made every effort so that you can remember the things and make these kind of things for you easy. So I understand that it is not easy to remember the family name, the botanical name of every plant, but we are trying and we have to remember that we have to do that. So I am making you and trying for you the best of my efforts, and I am making the best of the mnemonics so that you can remember that. So if you like that video, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also press the bell icon so that I can get my full reward. So thank you so much for liking my video, for watching this video till the last end, and make sure that you subscribe to it. So take care, meet you soon in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.